Hey everyone, it's Michelle here and welcome to Mindful Monday. So today I want to talk to you about potentially reframing the issue. So this is a technique I use when I bump up against something that feels like a challenge or feels unpleasant. So something that leaves me nervous or anxious or overwhelmed. A lot of the time we tend to lean into the negative. We tend to feel that victim feeling, like, oh, why is this happening to me? Or, why is the world against me kind of thing. And so I offer this quick tip today as an opportunity to kind of switch your view on things. So instead of feeling like the victim or instead of feeling like you have no control over the situation, maybe there's a learning that can happen from an unpleasant or from what would be considered a negative experience. So if you reframe the issue and say, what can I learn from this? Or what is this lesson trying to teach me? Or this keeps happening, so there must be something that I need to learn from this in order for it to stop happening. It's like habitual things happen in our lives, maybe because of things that we're doing or lessons that we still need to learn. So I offer this as a quick tip today as an opportunity to kind of reframe the issue, right? Take a step back, pause, take a step back and kind of say, okay, this doesn't feel awesome. This is unpleasant, but what can I learn from this? What is the lesson here that I need to experience? And how can I grow from this opportunity? So I hope that's helpful. Real quick tip today. If you want to learn more, you can go to my website, thepathtoserenity.com. There's a webinar out there to watch. There's a bunch of information and a few blogs to read as well. And as always, you can email me at michelle@thepathtoserenity.com, and I can happy to answer any questions that you have. All right, I hope you guys have a great week. Talk to you soon.